we are looking at how to pronounce and what is the meaning of the name of the newborn baby daughter of Meghan and Harry in the royal family. The name refers to the Queen's nickname within the family and was first used when Princess Elizabeth at the time was just a toddler and unable to pronounce her name correctly. She would say Lilibet, Lilibet, referring to her name, Elizabeth, Lilibet, or Lilibet, Lilibet is how you want to say it, and now you know what it means and how to pronounce that. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Many get them wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.